Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. Today I have the privilege of walking you around this 2022 Audi RS3 Sportback Vorsprung. If you're interested in this model, please don't hesitate to give our sales team a call on 01782 488 205. This vehicle does feature the powerful 2.5 litre petrol engine with an output of 400 PS. The engine works alongside the tronic automatic gearbox and the Quattro all-wheel drivetrain. The vehicle has an incredible 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration time of just 3.8 seconds and is finished in the stunning Python yellow paintwork. Moving closer to the vehicle, you'll be able to see that we do have the Matrix LED headlights in the dynamic light design. We also have the 19-inch 5Y-spoke black alloy wheels with the graphic print and the black painted brake calipers. The black styling does continue throughout the exterior with the black door mirror housing, window trim and the privacy glass to the rear and rear side windows. We also have the electrically adjustable door mirrors and the comfort key with the safe lock. Towards the interior, your 5 seats have been finished in the really premium fine Napa leather with the honeycomb stitch. The Audi RS3 has a spacious interior with plenty of room for the driver and 4 additional passengers. We also have the RS-specific sport suspension. This is lowered from standard for a more sporty and dynamic driving style. We also have the black Audi ring and RS3 badging throughout. The power-operated tailgate, meaning that the boot lid will open and close automatically. And the Audi RS3 does have a really spacious boot, with plenty of room for large shopping bags and suitcases. This model does have the RS-specific bumpers. The top speed has been increased to 174 miles per hour, and we do also have the 3-spoke multifunctional full leather steering wheel to the interior with the Audi ring and RS badging. We also have the aluminium inlays to the dashboard and the front sport seats, which have been finished in the stunning fine Napa leather upholstery. Moving further down, we have the electric adjustments for the front seats with the memory function. We also have the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, which is a fantastic upgrade and really does provide fantastic sound quality and volume levels. Now this does conclude the full 360-degree tour discussing all the styling options. I'll now move back towards the interior to take a closer look at the features and controls. As the steering wheel is multifunctional, it does mean that the driver can control the media and virtual cockpit display directly from the wheel. We can also access RS mode and the cruise control system, which is adaptive. And we can also use the gear shift paddles to manually change the gear. Here is a look at the RS-specific display of the Audi virtual cockpit, showcasing the navigation, telephone connectivity, entertainment such as your radio, and we can also access all of the car's systems and settings, including your driver assist, such as lane departure warning. We can also see the traffic sign recognition system, and we also have the ability to change this to the sporty RS display. Moving across, we also have the touchscreen Mmi Display. Here we can also access your navigation. We have the Audi smartphone interface with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows the driver to use their phone's features directly from the car's display. Within the car settings, we can also access Audi Drive Select, and choose between efficiency, comfort, auto or dynamic mode. And you can use the RS settings with a choice of adjusting the suspension, the RS torque splitter, the steering, the engine sound and the ESC. We do also have the extended LED background lighting pack fitted. This is multicoloured and means that the driver can adjust all of the interior LED lights. This creates a personalised atmosphere to the interior of the car. We also have the rear view reversing camera fitted with front and rear visible sensors. Moving further down are the controls for the dual zone climate control. This means that the driver and front passenger can separately adjust their air conditioning. We also have front heated seats, perfect for keeping you warm on colder mornings. And we have the Audi phone box with the wireless charging pad and 2 additional USB-C charge ports. Here is the new setup for the automatic gear selector, start-stop button and the volume controls. Thank you for watching this video on the 2022 Audi RS3 Sportback Vorsprung. With this model you will receive a minimum of 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. We can also offer lots of flexible finance packages, and for a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please don't hesitate to give our sales team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.